Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome to Airstream, Utah. On this walkthrough Wednesday, I'm going to show you the 30-foot flying cloud corner office. Join me. Today is going to be an abbreviated tour because I'm only going to show you the office portion of this 30-foot flying cloud. Because if you go back a few weeks, and I'll link it here on the screen, our video of me doing a walkthrough of the 30-foot bunk. So instead of a bunk bed back here, we have an office. That's what I'm going to show you today. Right away, you notice in here that I have a nice desk space. I have a window to look out. I have a little upper window up here, and I have my rear window in the back. So I have plenty of light coming into this corner area space here. I don't have the chair with me currently to show you what the chair sitting here looks like, but it's a standard office chair that comes with every Flying Cloud office model. Very comfortable chair. Some very unique functions about this desk. So if I'm sitting here at my desk, I have a pull-out space that gives me more desk area. I have a very nice deep drawer here to utilize, and I have a very big closet. So with this model, you get not only what I call the hall closet here beside your fridge, but you also get a closet in the what would be the bunkhouse room, but you get a very giant closet here, and it has its own built-in drawer. You also have storage space up here at the top, and you have a number of cubby holes. There's a cubby hole up here by the desk, and there's a cubby hole right down here by the desk. Plenty of storage space in here. Makes for a very nice, very nice office space should you need it. You can also close this curtain right here for privacy inside this office. Airstream has done a really good job back here of power options. You have a number of USB ports and options to plug things in, and they're all either straight to the battery for the USBs, or the plugs or inverter outlets, so you can use them on your inverter. Very good job. You have this tower here that pulls up, and it's a USB and normal plugs. It's an inverter outlet. And then back here in your cabinetry, you have a couple USB ports back here. And down underneath here, you have your inverter outlet, which powers that power tower up top. Now I'm going to demonstrate what setting this single bed up here would be like. First step is pulling out your drawer under what I call the patient seat. And this flips out. Then you have this drawer pulls out all the way across, and that drops down to here. You pull out your extra cushions. One goes here, one goes here, and the back cushion goes here. So now you have this nice bed. I'm 5'9", and I have plenty of space on this mattress to lay here and enjoy it. That's all I have for you today on this walkthrough Wednesday. Thanks for allowing me to be a part of your day. If you have any questions about this model or any other model, please give us a call, send us an email, check out our website, or better yet, stop by. We'd love to meet you and show you around in person. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.